This crypto coin could 20x in 2022, and in this video you will know why. I will rate gTrade and let you know why GNS, their main token, has so much potential and why gTrade is the future. So today I will cover, what is gTrade? My professional review of this project. Is it a scam? Is it a good investment? Should you invest in this project? AV here, and today I will analyze and rate gTrade, a decentralized trading platform where you can trade cryptos and forex with leverage with no sign-up required. And of course, make sure to watch until the end because I will reveal why I think their coin could 20x in 2022. On this channel, you get videos on new DeFi projects. And if you like this type of content, don't hesitate to subscribe. What is gTrade? Well, as said before, it's a decentralized trading platform but with superior trading experience. Here are the reasons why. They have a layer 2 integration with that you can enjoy fast trading orders with minimal gas fees. Median spot prices, known generated or derivatives prices, true prices only. 0% funding rate, meaning no capital borrowed for the leverage. 0% price impact with their synthetic trading architecture. gTrade is a product from Gains Network, so let's see what is Gains Network. Gains Network is building the decentralized finance ecosystem of the future. Our goal is to build the most advanced and optimized suite of DeFi products in the space. We have launched the first decentralized leverage trading platform on Polygon, gTrade, and that is only our first product. Our uniquely designed architecture makes gTrade 100 to 1000x more capital efficient than competitors' platforms and still allow for extremely low trading fees, a wide range of leverage, up to 150x on cryptos, and up to 1000x on forex, and any assets or pair cryptocurrencies. Forex, stocks, commodities, indexes. The whole protocol revolves around the ecosystem's ERC20 utility token, GNS, and ERC721 utility token, NFT. GNS and the NFT are designed to be actively used on the platform. GNS's value is tied to the success of the platform. More volume and trades translate to more buying pressure and increased burning pressure on the token in the long term. Let's read more on gTrade, also called gTrade. So yes, this platform is on Polygon, so here's the introduction. A decentralized leverage trading platform up to 1000x that doesn't borrow the leveraged funds. How is that possible? Trades are opened with DAI, which gets deposited into the vault. The trader pays the collateral with DAI and the leverage is synthetic, backed by the GNS token. This novel design allows gTrade to offer up to 150x leverage on crypto and up to 1000x on forex. When the trade gets closed, DAI from the vault is used to pay the trader back plus or minus P&L. The trading experience is aimed at being as seamless and intuitive as possible. Asset prices, Oracle. While all other leverage platforms use their own derivative prices, which often ends up in prices that do not correspond to the real price of the asset, we use our custom real-time Chainlink node operators network to get the median price from up to 7 data sources. Detailed description of how the DYOR works here. This can filter out any false price action happening on a single exchange, whether for manipulation purposes or simply from a lack of liquidity. More fair to traders than other platforms. Since we aggregate our prices, this means traders are protected from liquidation scam wicks and other unfair events of this kind that happen on only one exchange. We are the first and only leverage trading platform to offer this kind of protection to traders. Liquidity of GNS DAI on QuickSwap is vital for the correct functioning of the platform, since GNS will be bought and burnt when the vault is over-collateralized and will be minted and sold when the vault is under-collateralized. Since all trades use the GNS DAI pool and our second DAI-only liquidity layer, Trading Vault, it means we have a big advantage over our competitors who have to build new liquidity in their order books every time they list a new pair and maintain very high liquidity on each pair. By building a big GNS DAI pool with trading fees incentives, every trading pair listed on our platform benefits from bigger position sizes and less slippage. This means the platform only requires GNS DAI liquidity for all pairs that can be traded on the platform. This is only possible because our architecture doesn't match buying and selling orders using an order book because of our ability to mint and burn GNS tokens to pay traders. The leverage of trades is virtual, and the P&L is simulated with our smart contracts. Now I will rate gTrade on a scale of 1 to 10 with 10 important criteria I personally use to invest in crypto projects. So let's get started with the audit. We can see here that it's been audited by Certic, one of the best for an audit, so really good. The score is 93 out of 100 and they don't have any major issues, just minor and informational, so I give them a full point. How do the charts look like? So the price of GNS, their main token, is at $3.22 with a 75 million market cap. Here we see that the price trend is going down for the last 30 days. However, if we look at the last 90 days, the trend is up. So I give 0.5 points here. GNS is a DeFi utility token with a total supply of more than 38 million tokens and a max supply of 100 million tokens. The token is integrated deeply into each product and is necessary for them to work. The tokenomics are directly tied to the use case of each product. The more users, the more inherent value GNS will possess. You can also earn passive rewards associated with each product. For example, you can stake GNS QuickSwap LP tokens on pools to earn a share of the trading fees from the leverage platform. The token holders and liquidity providers own the platform and get dividends based on the platform's volume. The rewards come from actual usage of the trading platform and are used to incentivize liquidity providers and vault stakers, which are vital for our products to function properly and to provide the best user experience. We do not guarantee returns as they depend directly on the daily volume of our products. The tokenomics. Our products create demand for the token and can put a deflationary pressure on the supply. The token is at the core of every single one of our products. Our platform couldn't exist without our token and the ability to mint and burn it. It is well known that more traders lose more than they win. Decades of statistics in traditional markets support this thesis. Our trading platform was built based on this assumption. Therefore, more tokens should be burned than minted, which should reduce the supply of GNS tokens in the long run. And if you want to buy the token, you can just click here. This brings you to QuickSwap, where you can swap any token on the Polygon network to GNS. Is the team anonymous? Yes, they are. The team is not KYC, so for them it kind of makes sense because one of their selling point is no sign-up required, so no KYC required by trading on their platform, but still no KYC. It means even if they rugged, scam, or whatever, we will never know who's behind. So 0 points here. Do they have a strong community? They've got over 6,000 followers on Twitter, real audience that is for sure. Over 1,000 members on Discord and more than $5 billion in all-time volume. Full point deserved. Checking the domain name. gTrade has been registered on Namecheap, a reputable domain website, on the 16th of October 2021. Remaining infos are masked. 0.5 points here. Is the product unique? The product is not unique, however. They have created a new way to trade futures without impacting the prices. Usually when you trade on a centralized exchange, you trade on an order book. You always need someone willing to sell you or buy your token. Here you trade against their liquidity pool, so no matter which coin, forex pair you want to trade, it's possible. This is game changer in my opinion, so I get a full point here. Is there enough liquidity? Meaning, is it easy to buy or sell your tokens? If there's not enough liquidity, this can impact your profits, but here we see that they have over $16 million in liquidity, so really good. Full point. The code analysis. The score of the automated audit is 41 of 100, not so bad. First issue, there are highly similar contracts that were deployed prior to this one. So with that, I see no problems because the similar contract they are talking about is a token that was launched by Gains Network before GNS. A wallet contains a substantial amount of tokens which could have a large impact on the token price if sold. And not enough liquidity is locked or burned, which could allow for significant amounts to be removed. That could result in a rug pull. There are 2 issues, so here I give 0.5 points. Are there whales that could dump the price? There are over 2,300 holders of the token GNS and 10% of the tokens are in the smart contracts, but there are a lot of whales. For the team to have tokens, again, I got no problem because they've built the product, they deserve a part of the tokens. But there are over 9 holders with more than 1% of the tokens. They are whales, so I can't give any points here. What does our AI predict? We did train an AI using thousands of crypto projects' data that have been launched in the past, and according to our AI, the future of gTrade is positive, meaning it encourages investing in this, but not financial advice. Full point here. Out of 10 points, they scored 6.5, well enough to be considered as a good project. Why it could 20x in 2022? They'd already have multiple billions traded on their platform, and they plan to integrate stocks like Apple, Tesla, S&P 500 in the next few months. They also plan to go multi-chain. They have a product that works and that's used daily by thousands of users. It's a project that already made multiple millions in fees alone. Even though the market cap is already high at $75 million, it's still a low cap gem for me, and it could go way beyond the market cap of DYDX, which is at more than $400 million. That's just my personal opinion. Always do your own research before investing. Comment below 20x if you think this has potential. Subscribe if you want more crypto alpha, and see you the next one.